It's that time of the year where the fruit's on heavy. As you can see, I got lots of apricots. Today we're going to work on a project with apricot applesauce snacks. Anyway, we'll join in and show you how we do it. You know the drill. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't, hit that bell for notifications. Good afternoon, everybody. We're getting a little rainstorm, so I'm going to do some work inside. We're going to make some snacks that we're going to use on the trail for hiking, hunting, fishing, just out recreating. Apricots are in full swing right now. There are a pile of them on my tree as I showed you earlier, but we're going to make some snacks. Here's what they are. They look like a miniature Twinkie, but they're apricots and applesauce blended together. I don't have some catchy name for them, so we're just going to call them applesauce and apricot treats. Anyway, come with me and I'll show you how we're going to do it. There's a few things we're going to need though. Obviously some good apricots, a blender. What I put them in is ice cube trays that have silicone bases on them, so I can put them in there and they freeze, and I just pop them out and put them in my freeze dryer trays. Of course, I'm going to use some applesauce. I'm going to do about 4.5 cups of apricots and about 4.5 to 5 cups of applesauce. I'll throw a cup of sugar in there, and then I'll put them in my handy dandy piping icing bag that I've made out of a Ziploc bag. I just screwed my thing on there, and anyway, come along and I'll show you how we do it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is wash your apricots so they're good and clean. And you're just going to pop them in your blender and take the seeds out of them. We'll blend them up. Alright, got my apricots blended up. Now I'll add a bunch of applesauce to that and my sugar. We'll blend it up. All right, let's see if we can do this without making a big old mess. Okay, I'm just going to pop it out, and I'm just going to fill them all up about 3/4 of the way. All right, we got our trays all filled up. Now the only thing to do is put them in the freezer and let them freeze. Tomorrow we'll put them in the freeze dryer. All right, so I've put all these in the freezer. You can just see they're in little water or in ice cube trays. So I'll show you the process. So I just push them on these silicone bases and they pop right out. Just like that. And now I'm just going to space them out on my trays about 4 wide. Some things when you process them, like candy and that, they expand. And so you're always wondering how close to put them. I know from doing these earlier that these don't expand, so I can get them pretty close and tight. All right, they're all frozen. We've got them loaded into our trays. So now we'll put them in the freeze dryer and start the process. All right, we got another batch done of our apricot apple treats. I think I've come up with a name for them. I'm going to call them Apricot Zingers. I mean, they look like a little zinger or a little Twinkie. Anyway, they're all freeze dried, super nice and dry. Man, they're good. So all I got left to do now is package them up. So this is how I'm going to package them up. I just put my funnel in there and drop a few in there. Just enough so that my bag will still close. I'll put an oxygen absorber in there in here just a minute. I'll go ahead and get them all filled up. All right, I put my last oxygen absorber in my last envelope, or Mylar bag, I guess. Gonna seal it, zip it shut, and I seal it. Just like that, we're done. I'll do them all up, put some labels on them, and we'll be finished. Built my labels. Apricot Zingers. Today's date, 8/3/23. There we have it, Apricot Zinger. Now you know the reason I put the labels on instead of writing with a Sharpie is because the Sharpie will wear off and you won't know what's inside. This label never wears off, so there you go. That's the process for utilizing your huge amounts of apricots if you're like me. Anyway, you know the drill. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you on the next video.